Hello everyone, my name is Abdelhak and today I would like to talk about a very important subject, unleashing the power of AUT. Let's first of all walk through the agenda of this project. First of all, we will do an introduction about the AUT and also AUT in healthcare, AUT in agriculture, AUT in smart homes, AUT in cities, and also AUT and Industries point zero, and also how this challenges and how it will be in the how this is challenge us now, and the challenge you might face doing this. Having or doing AUT, and also how this is will affect our future. And to sum up everything, we will do a small conclusion about everything. To start up everything, actually, IoT has shaped how the modern world start operating now, also connecting billions of devices. To start up everything, actually, IoT has shaped how the modern world start operating now, also connecting billions of devices through sensors and networks used across healthcare, agriculture, cities, industries, and more subject to be involved actually in the future. Uh, because for example, IoT in healthcare, it's actually a game changer. You know, if we are talking about how IoT is changing healthcare. For example, remote monitoring via wearable improve patient comfort and reduce hospital visits. Useful for chronic diseases management, security, privacy, remove key issues, which is one of the most important thing for me, that the security and the privacy. And yes, of course, we cannot talk about IoT in our daily life without mentioning how this actually affect agriculture. Because farming nowadays became very smart thanks to IoT. With the rising food global demand, IoT has are not just convincing to be used, but they are also necessary nowadays. And yes, one of the most important familiar place to mention IoT, it's our homes. Smart lights, smart locks, smart thermostats. Those devices learn our habits and make our living spaces more comfortable and more efficient for sure. IoT is actually making also cities more livable and for example, smart traffic lights reduce congestions, air quality sensors monitor pollution, and smart waste bins notify the city when they are full. All does small improvement and add up a cleaner city and also a more efficient. In factories and industries, actually, AUT works behind the scenes. Sensors on machine can spot problems before they happen and help us for a disaster losses in how I mean in people and also in the factories for sure. Because breaking down can save companies time, money, and also life, which employees' life, which is the most important things for me. Robotics, automation, and advanced analytics are all part of Industry 4.0, making the production faster, smarter, and more reliable. But again, connectivity means a higher need of strong cybersecurity. And of course, IoT is not something perfect, you know. Security risks are still one of the biggest concerns, especially in areas like healthcare or industrial system. Another challenge is interoperability, basically getting devices from different brands to speak the same language. But but I could guess the future might be brighter of if we consider how the AI actually taking our world. But still, you know, we IoT will become even more efficient and intelligence with AI. But the challenges might still remain the same, especially when it comes to security. Yes, of course, as I explained before on the challenges, the future will look definitely brighter, you know, and much better with the AI, and also edge computing will reduce latency. IoT will spread across all industries, smarter and more automated system ahead. And to sum up everything, IoT's transformation of the world around us, from the way we grow food to the way we get treated in hospital, and from the homes we live in to the cities we walk through every day. Yes, there are some challenges, but the direction is clear. IoT has become a core part of a modern life, and its influence will continue only to grow.